Your Keepa queries take hours to perfect and seconds to lose. There's a better way. You tweak the filters, refine the categories, finally land on the perfect query, then close the tab, and it's gone. Meet QueryVault, a free Chrome and Edge extension that saves your searches in one click. Hit Save Query, and your entire Product Finder search is locked in. Every field, every filter. Hit load on any saved query and watch every field fill in automatically, under 2 seconds. Rename and organize favorites. Update them in place. Works with every Product Finder control, even the obscure ones. Everything stays in your browser. No tracking, no cloud sync, no analytics. Your queries belong to you, and only you. Free forever. Save up to 10 queries, no account required. Register free for 30 queries, plus export, import, and sync across devices. Every closed tab is another query gone. Stop rebuilding. Install QueryVault now. Chrome or Edge, 10 seconds, completely free. QueryVault. Your queries are worth more than you think. Visit jassquery.com/QueryVault.